Okay, how to delete a workspace which is already created, right? This is your question. Generally, in order to delete any workspace, right? First of all, what workspace you are want to delete it. Okay, for example, I want to delete this sample underscore project. Okay, first of all, if you don't know the path where exactly it is there, what you need to do, you can go to your title bar. Once you can log in into the Tosca and you can go to the title bar and you can see it here. Once you go to the title bar, right? So what you can do, you can go to the title bar, see D drive, where exactly it is there. Open your D drive sample. Okay, go to this path, guys. Okay, if you want exact path, right? So you can go it over here. Okay, see, this is the path. If you don't know the path, if you know the path, that is a different story. Okay, just come to this path. Okay, in this D drive, the sample project has been, we have this sample project here. Okay, now what you will do, right? So this is the project come out of the Tosca. Generally, I have showed you to show how to delete this one. That's it. Okay, generally you won't delete it, guys. You you don't delete it. Okay, so rather you will go to that path. See, this is my path, right? So where my workspace is already created. See, there is a common workspace and this is a Tosca commander. Okay, now I want to delete this one. Okay, what I will do, I will use shift delete enter. Just delete from your respective folder. Either it can be a C drive, else it can be a D drive, else it can be anything. Okay, now it should remove here. Is it removed? No, it's not removed. Why it is not removed? Why? Because we need to restart the Tosca one more time in order to relaunch that one, right? See, what is a sample underscore project should not be there here now. Okay, so now come here and reopen it. Okay, so now once you have reopened it successfully, okay, yeah, so once you have reopened it successfully, then you won't be able to see that sample underscore project. Okay, see, where is sample underscore project? It's gone. Okay, so wherever your project has been created, what you need to do, see guys, there is no sample underscore project. Okay, so what you need to do, wherever like go to the path where it is created and delete the workspace or delete the folder. Now come back or restart the Tosca. That's it. Okay.